Good.
Okay. I'm Sebastian Taylor with SoM Technologies, and we're showing off the DeepView toolkit and inference engine. So the DeepView toolkit allows you to design neural networks using a graphical tool. There's 4 workspaces, so you could do the dataset management. In this case, we're using the German traffic sign benchmark, so it's a bunch of German traffic signs. There's 43 different traffic signs in this dataset. 43 different types of traffic signs, 50,000 samples altogether. The graph designer allows you to graphically design your neural network. You lay it out graphically layer by layer. It supports graph types. So in this example, this is a custom small, fully convolutional network. We can do examples like SqueezeNet, obviously many more nodes to this one. So depending on your application, you can design the appropriate type of network. So these have already been pre-trained. The network trainer allows you, it'll feed the data set, give you graphical feedback as the process advances. And then the validation is an interesting one to show today. This here shows a confusion matrix, so it shows how accurate your model is at this data set. So you have the true label of what the image that was observed, and the inferred label, reverse, but so what you're looking for is a nice diagonal green line that shows that the expected and inferred label matched. So you can see where the error are in this example. This particular model scores roughly 90%. Now for validation, we're able to run this on a number of targets, and right now we're going to demonstrate it on Toradex's new i.MX8 Quad Max processor. It's right over here. It's pretty sure it's 2 A72 processors and 4 A53s with dual GC7000 GPUs. The inference engine is able to use any of these cores. It can run on A72 cluster, A53 cluster, or on the GPUs using OpenCL. The remote validator will now run this model on the target and provide real-time feedback. So as it's running, you can see the various samples going through. In this case, it's just sending the images over the Wi-Fi to the target. We collect performance benchmarks on the way back. The profiler lets you get a layer-by-layer breakdown, so you can see all the layers in the network which we designed previously, how much time is spent at each individual layer, allowing you to focus on which pieces require optimization. It's been DeepView from SoM Technologies. I'm Sebastian Taylor. Thank you very much.